Hey, what's up? This is Sami. Today we're gonna take a look at the newly released Xiaomi Mi 6. Mi 9. Let's check what's on the package. There's a number 9 and the Mi logo. On the back, we see the gradient blue color for this phone. It comes with 8GB RAM plus 128GB of ROM. There are also highlights like Snapdragon 855, 48 megapixel AI triple wide lens camera, the 5th generation in-display fingerprint scanner, but I'm not sure how it gets to the 5th generation, and a 20-watt wireless fast charge. Now let's unbox it. First we saw the text designed by Xiaomi on the paper case. Inside it has a manual, a transparent silicone case, a 3.5mm to Type-C connector, and a pin. Next is the phone. We just put it aside first. Under the phone is the Type-C cable and a charger. For the charger, there are some big changes. It supports up to 9 voltage 3 ampere and 20 voltage 1.35 ampere, which is 27 watt fast charge. According to the official Xiaomi, it can fully charge the phone in just 1 hour. Mi 9 adopts this gradient color design. I'll give you a general idea of that by moving the phone. Mi 9 features triple camera, we'll get to that later. The front is a water-drop design panel. There's a single speaker and Type-C port on the bottom. Now on the top, the infrared blaster is finally back. Besides all that, Mi 9 supports 20-watt wireless charge. If I'm not mistaken, it's the fastest so far among all the phones on the market. I gotta say, I really like the hand feel. It's like Mi 6, but feel more rounded and rugged. You can see the curved design on the back. It's the best among all the phones I've ever used. There's another thing I want to say is it's really thin and has a relatively light weight. Now light up the screen. As it was leaked before, Mi 9 has this water drop design. Here you can see more specs about it. Snapdragon 855, 3400 mAh battery, and 48 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 16 megapixel triple camera. The main camera is a 48 megapixel sensor IMX586 from Sony. 12 megapixel portrait lens supports 2 times optical zoom, and the last one is a 117-degree wide lens and a 4cm micro lens. The screen size is 6.39 inch, while the resolution is 2340 by 1080p. The phone we got is an 8GB version. There's also a 6 plus 64GB standard one. For the camera, you can click settings here to choose 48 megapixel mode and take a 48 megapixel photo. And that takes about 2 seconds. Others remain just like previous Xiaomi phones. Also want to show you the newly added Game Turbo, which enables you to have the smoothest experience when playing games. During my test in PUBG and Gorilla King, it basically functions like a gaming phone, like a 1-key switch to long distance mode, 1 key to faster speed, etc. How cool is that? Last is the so-called 5th generation in-display fingerprint scanner. Let's just test out. It's really fast, much faster and accurate than the Mi 8 Explorer or Pro edition. Alright, that's it. It's just a really simple unboxing and hands-on of Mi 9. If you do have more questions about it, please subscribe and leave a comment below. I'm Sami. See you.